Hello, sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Jamie. Yes, I had to do the hands because that's my thing. Anyway, if you guys are excited, let's get to today's video. It's another dinner video, cook with me video. I am loving doing this because it motivates me to do new recipes or an oldie but goodie recipe for you guys. So I've got two recipes for you. I've got like a chicken taco soup, kind of a white chicken chili, and I kind of did a little twist on it. And then I have Mongolian beef with my favorite London broil. And you guys, it turned out fantastic.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell for notifications.
Easy dinner videos for you guys. And let me just say, you're gonna wanna make these ASAP. All right, so let's get to our first video, and that is the white chicken chili taco all in one pot meal. You guys ready? Let's get to cooking. Sweet friends, sometimes you just go willy-nilly with dinner, and I knew I had frozen chicken breast. I knew I had northern beans, petite diced tomatoes, and green chilies. So we are going to make like a white chicken chili that we're gonna add rice to, but I cannot wait to have this for dinner tonight. It is not cool enough for soup, but we're having it because it's what's on hand. So let's get to cooking. First, I'm going to place these chicken breasts in my Instapot and Instapot them really quick, and then we're gonna slow cook. Okay, so I've added 2 cups of water, 4 large chicken breasts, and this base broth, and I am just going to Instapot this on the poultry setting. So poultry, and I normally do for frozen chicken, I do 20 minutes because it's going to cook some more when I slow cook it. Yeah, I already got the chicken shredded. I Instapotted it, so it's ready to go with 2 cups of broth. We're going to do 1 can of white beans, 1 can of petite diced tomatoes, 1 can of green chilies, and 1 can of rotel. And Parker's going to hand me 2 cups of that water right there. All right, 2 cups of water. Of corn. All right, we're gonna hand me the seasonings. 1 cup of corn. Actually, 1.5 cups of corn. All right, 2 tablespoons. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of cumin. Yes, I'm a dumper. Thank you. 1 teaspoon of onion, but you gotta open that one. 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. Parker's in here with me. It's the best. I haven't had him in the kitchen with me in forever. A little. I don't think the paprika's open either. Oh, yeah, it is. About 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and onion powder to taste, friends, whatever you guys like. I'm gonna do about 1 teaspoon. And then you're gonna combine those ingredients, and we're just going to slow cook this soup for about 3 to 4 hours on high. I'm done. I'm sorry, I don't know. Slow cook on high, start. Right, here she is. It is so pretty and so good. I do 2 tablespoons of non-fat Greek yogurt in it, and Lily chills and lets me rest. Our next recipe is one of our new faves. Dave loved it. I thought it was absolutely delicious. It's Mongolian beef. I will share the recipe in the description box, but you guys, you have to try this. It is better than takeout, I promise you. It was so yummy. And the Brussels sprouts just added goodness. David made those. I didn't record those, but you guys, I'll have to share what he puts in our Brussels, but they are delish. So if you guys are ready, let's get to Mongolian beef recipe. Friends, we're making Mongolian beef. So I've got both my pans out. I'm gonna swap this one really quick because we're gonna make the sauce for the Mongolian beef. So we're gonna put our temperature on medium heat or stovetop on medium heat. Add 1/2 cup, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. You can use minced ginger. You guys use whatever you're supposed to use fresh, and I did not do that. And then a 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic. Oh, that smells so good already. Okay, so I've got my garlic, my ginger. I need 1/4 cup of water. To mix that together and let that simmer. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. All right, while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna chop up my beef. And that right there. I just went ahead, friends. You guys know how much we love London broil. I just went ahead and got a London broil because it's easier. You can put this on just to simmer. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the back and let that cook and have that ready. And I need to put some oil in my pan. So I've got some olive oil in my pan. All right, our sauce is thickening. I'll give it a little stir. Okay, so you're gonna have a bowl of your cornstarch, 1/2 cup. And you're gonna toss your flank steak or your London broil, whatever meat you choose, into that cornstarch. And you're gonna place it in your skillet. And I've got my skillet on medium heat. You're gonna dip your flank steak in there and place it in your pan. Cooking up our beef, and I'm just going to turn it and toss it, get that cooked through. Need my tongs. Use tongs and just turn them. And I'm gonna add, after I turn these, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seed oil because I have that on hand. I finally bought me some. Just give it a little bit more flavor instead of just the olive oil. Drizzle a little bit on there. delightful. All right. I can start turning it a little bit faster. I got that cornstarch kind of set in. Give that a good toast on both sides. Add the sauce on top so it'll finish cooking. So it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna pour over the soy sauce mixture. Stir that around. Put it on low heat. 10 minutes. All right, friends, look at that goodness. All right, you ready to taste? I'm so excited. Dave already tried it, he said it's wonderful. You gotta try it. So stinking good. All right, sweet friends, and that is a wrap of my dinner video full of 2 delicious recipes for you guys to try for your family. They are so easy, so delicious, and of course, macro friendly, because your girl is on track and it feels so stinking good. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I am having so much fun. Like I said, they really encourage me to make something new or an oldie but goodie and try not to stick to the basics of dinner planning, even though sometimes it's just good to just go to the basics. But these are 2 that I'm sure you're going to want to try. Always remember, you are amazing, you are beautiful, you are loved, you are enough, and you are flipping phenomenal. I love you guys so stinking much. Mwah.